Hello everyone. My name is Herath. Today I will present you my machine learning assignment project. Uh, title title Heart Disease Prediction Using Machine Learning. In this project, I used machine learning algorithm, logistic regression, and random forest classifier to predict the present of the heart disease based on the clinical features. I will walk you through the dataset, um, pre-processing step, model training, evaluation, and final results. Let's get started. Dataset is script. Introduction, dataset description, dataset overview script. The dataset used to project this heart failure prediction dataset, which I obtained from Kaggle. Uh, it contained 90 patient record with the 12 features include age, sex, chest pain types, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, and other clinical measurements. The goal of the dataset is to predict whether patient has heart disease, where the target variable is the labeled as 0 for no disease and 1 for present of disease. The dataset includes both numerical categorical features, so appropriate present pre-processing steps were necessary before training the machine learning models. Mm, After that, MA pipeline explain pre-processing. Data pre-processing. First, I perform the pre-processing on the dataset. Applied one hot encoding it to convert categorical features like sex, chest pain types, and resting ECG into the numerical values using the PD.get dummies. Then I used a standard scale to normalize the number features such as age, blood pressures, and cholesterol. Finally, I split the dataset into 80%, 80% training and 20% testing using the train test splits. Algorithm use. Uh, I trained the two machine learning model. Logistic regression, which is the linear model commonly used for binary classification. Random forest classification, which is an ensemble model that uh, builds multiple decision trees and combine their outputs. These models were chosen to compare a simple and interpretable model with a more powerful nonlinear model. Logistic regression and for us results, metric and results. I evaluated the both model using the accuracy, present recall, and F1 score. Logistic regression achieved accuracy about 86%. 86%, precisions 85%, recalls 87%, F1 score 86%. So all measurement we are balanced. Random forest achievement announcement around 90%, precisions 91%, recall 89%, F1 score 90%. The Regatta first model out of the logistic regression approach. I used all confirm metrics and classification report analyze the performance comparisons. Comparison and discussion. Overall, random forest model output about the logistic regression in the major measures. Metrics. In handle features in interactions and nonlinear data, which led to the high precision and fun score. However, logistic regression is still performed well and remain useful for its simplicity and interpretability. Okay. Uh, Elimination and future work. So you Jupyter notebook. That's future notebook, visualization script. Let me walk you the so my Jupyter notebook. I begin the my let me Jupyter notebook. Okay. Let me walk the. I begin the by important by necessary Python libraries and such pandas numpy. Mm, symbol pandas numpy symbol matplotlib and skitlion. This may use the data manipulation, visualization, and model building. Uh, After loading the dataset, use the after loading the dataset using PD read CSV file. I explain the data by displaying the first few rows, checking the data types and confirmation that there are no machine values. Next visualization calculation based on the numerical features. Using the heat map, we can using the heat map. This help me understand how features how features like cholesterol, age, and rate related. Then I perform the one hot encoding on the categorical column using the PD get dummies. Convert them numerical values. I also apply clarifier scalar standard scalar to normalize the features. After that, I split dataset into the training and testing, training machine learning algorithm, logistic regression, and random forest classification. I printed the classification report. Both model evaluation, the using accuracy presence recall F1 score. That's right, F1 score. Mm, to better compare to the models, I created the bar chart. I created a bar chart showing each metric side by side. This made it easy to use the random forest output in logistic regression every area. Finally, I use confirmation metric heat maps, usually report metric heat map to visually repeat at how many correct and incorrect prediction each model made. Overall, the notebook then mention the full pipeline from the propositions pre-processing to the model evaluation and visualization. Uh, now, now limitation and future work. To conclude the project successful demonstrate use the machine learning prediction heat heart disease using clinical data. I trained evaluated the two model logistic regression and random forest classification. While both models perform the well, random forest achieved the high accuracy and better overall metrics, making it a better choice of the this data set. The project show how machine learning can assign the every disease detections and protection, help medical professionals make faster and more accurate decisions. As for future work, I plan to explain the what the additional algorithm support vector machine or XGBoot and apply hyperparameter tuning into the feature important performance. Would I also consider the using cross validation from the reliable model evaluated test model logistic model on the larger and more diverse data set ensure I generalization real world scenarios. Eventually, this kind of the model could be integrated into the healthcare system. Mobile app supports clinical decision making. Thank you for watching.